Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can touch and hold on the app icon badges to view the notification details. So you can see here on my app, I have 2 notifications, and if I touch and hold, I can view the detail of the notifications. To do that, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down and tap on home screen. Next, scroll down and tap on app icon badges. Make sure you turn on app icon badges, and then go down and tap on notifications on app icons. Switch it on. Once this is switched on, you can touch and hold on the app icon to show the notifications. So here, if I tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, for any apps that you have notifications, you can touch and hold on it, and below that you can view the notifications details. And if I switch it off, you can see that if I touch and hold it, it will not show the notification detail. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.